Declutter your mind. Why this book? Feel overwhelmed by your thoughts? Struggling with anxiety about your daily tasks? Or do you want to stop worrying about life? The truth is, we all experience the occasional negative thought. But if you always feel overwhelmed, then you need to closely examine how these thoughts are negatively impacting your lifestyle. You will learn 1.4 causes of mental clutter. 2. 4 strategies to improve, or eliminate, bad relationships. 3. A simple strategy to discover what's important to you. 4. The benefit of meditation and focused deep breathing, and how to do both. Meditation. Meditation is not a way of making your mind quiet. It's a way of entering into the quiet that's already there buried. We think, therefore we are. Thinking may seem automatic and uncontrollable, but many of our thought patterns are habitual and, well, thoughtless. Exhaustion. We often feel like we don't have time to declutter because we're too busy consuming new stuff and information. But at some point, all this busyness is leading us to mental and emotional exhaustion. Relieve anxiety. The more we procrastinate on something important, the worse we feel about ourselves. The worse we feel, the less motivation we have to get moving on our work. The less motivation we have, the more we procrastinate with mindless distractions. It's a vicious cycle that traps you in self-recriminations and anxiety. Never-ending tape. In fact, nearly every negative thought you have relates to the past or future. It's common to find yourself trapped in a looping cycle of regretful thinking or worry thoughts, even while feeling desperate to escape the never-ending tape playing in your mind. Eliminate negative thinking. The more we ponder our despair, the more despondent we become. Technology's slave, human, nowadays. We've become obsessed with technology, and it's impacting every aspect of how we live our lives. We are slaves to the gadgets that were supposed to simplify our lives, and prefer the quick fix of instant information and low-quality entertainment over real-world interactions and experiences.